Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Percepta's Microsoft Project Desktop App Training Series. In this video, we'll be learning how to add a milestone in Microsoft Project, a key step in marking important moments in your project's timeline. So, what exactly is a milestone? A milestone is a task with zero duration that represents a significant event, decision point, or achievement in your project schedule. Because it has a duration of 0 days, it doesn't require time to complete. It simply marks an important point. Milestones are typically used to track major events such as project kickoffs, phase completions, approvals, or deliverables. They appear as a diamond shape on the Gantt chart and can be linked to other tasks as dependencies. For example, using a finish to start relationship. They're also great for status reporting since they highlight progress toward your project's high-level goals. Now let's walk through how to create one. In your task grid, click on a blank row where you'd like to insert the milestone. Type a name for it, for example, Milestone 1. In the duration column, enter 0 days. This tells Microsoft Project that it's a milestone with no time requirement. Set a finish date for when this milestone should occur. Once you do this, your milestone will automatically appear as a diamond icon on the Gantt chart. And that's it. You've just created a milestone in Microsoft Project, a simple but powerful way to track key events and communicate progress. Thanks for watching this session of our Microsoft Project Desktop App Training Series. See you in the next video.